Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Oh, yeah. What up, bitches? What's going on, bitches? Live on YouTube right now, showing you a live account with live trades going on, because that's how we do it here. We don't hide behind stuff. We don't cower away from stuff, because we ain't little bitches. We ain't little bitches. We show you what's going on. I show you what's going on, because I ain't a little bitch. I don't hide behind trading view and manipulate trades after the fact. Because we ain't no little bitches. We ain't little bitches. Alright, so let's look at some freaking charts, shall we? Son of a gun. Because we aren't little bitches. You had a nice, you can see several different trades on the pound yen right now in this account. Actually, maybe when I switch over this, you might not be able to see it. No, you can't. That's crazy. You can see it on the terminal. You can see we have several different trades on the pound yen. We made a low. Actually, let me get to Epic Pen. Because we ain't little bitches, we don't hide behind trading view. You get to see the trades. The GJ came down and hit this significant area of support down here at whatever the hell price this is. I don't even know. I don't fucking care. Whatever you want to say it is, I don't give a damn. 151.47 came down and hit that. Now we're making a move up, and as you can see, there's several buys on this on the GJ in this account. So, and I anticipate GJ will go up and test those highs up above that 152 area up here, and possibly even go higher. So I'm stacking long positions on the GJ, as you can see, and we'll see what happens. But I'm still bullish on the GJ, and I will continue to buy dips on the GJ. For one, because it's the pair that all these other lame-ass YouTube streamers trade, and they don't know how to fucking trade it. And for two, so that's a big reason I like to do it, because they're dumb. They don't know what the hell they're doing. So it's fun to kick their ass at currencies that I don't usually trade, that they trade, but they're shitty at it. So that's part of the motivation, and that's a great motivation for me. Gold right there, you can see. Gold had a nice buy pattern this morning, and so stacking buy positions as well. So we're doing it all. We're doing it all in this account. So we're doing it all because we are sexy bitches, like I said, and we ain't like those cowards that hide behind trading view and think that they know what the hell they're talking about. For one, they don't, and two, they're little bitches. So we just like to have fun with that. So that's what we're looking for on gold. We're looking to buy dips as always. It's just funny how people, people are such damn hypocrites. It's not even funny, because they talk about long-term buying, but then when I long-term buy, they they think they can make fun of me for it. It's hilarious because they're little bitches. So we like the little bitches. They make us money, and it's just fun. It's just fun to mess with them. But you can see the trades in that terminal right there. We ain't afraid of hiding. We're not hiding no trades because we aren't afraid. All right, so you have several different buys on the pound yen, as you can see. As you can see right there, yeah, you can see all of them. Might move this just a little bit. My curved screen makes it so I have to fix my screen up a little bit so you guys can see it all. I can't help you on that, buddy. Video is clear to me. Video is clear on my end. I'm looking at it myself too, and it's clear. The number not clear? I don't know about that, but I mean, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to help you on that one. The numbers aren't clear. Again, I don't know how to help you on that, man. Sorry, but it is a live account, and it's live trades going on, and you don't see this from anyone else that does a YouTube stream. And I honestly, like I've said many times before, I hate YouTube. I hate YouTube with a passion because I think YouTube is a bunch of anti-free speech communist bastards. But I honestly do think that. I think YouTube's a bunch of free speech. They don't like free speech. I think they're a bunch of communist bastards. But find me another platform that you can stream on, and I will stream on that platform because I hate YouTube. Just saying. I don't like platforms that censor people's speech and all that crap. So YouTube is a bunch of commie bastards to me. So I don't like them. But it is what it is, I guess, right? It is what it is. No, Carlos, this is I'm trading on the Savage's broker, FX Live Capital. But no, this should be MT4 still. I guess I don't know exactly what it is, but I don't really care what it is. But I'm trading on the Savage broker right now while I'm doing this, so that's what's shaking. So I don't know what the hell is going on, but I'm on the Savage broker. So, but I think it's still MT4. I have no idea. I don't pay attention to that stuff, man. You know that. I don't pay attention to that stuff. We don't pay attention to that. That's not important. We just trade, try to make some money. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We just trade, make money. That's what it's all about. I don't give a damn about any of that other stuff. Do this and that, like that. It'll look like that. That looks pretty good. Even though you guys can't see it. I do have the US 30 up, but you can't see it because it's to the left of the screen. So the GDP is looking good on those buys. I'm liking that. Liking the gold positions I've got in there right now. I'm just liking everything right now. So gold is looking nice for those buys. The GJ is looking nice. The pound Aussie, I think I still have a pound Aussie in there, which is making money. You can see the buy right there on the pound Aussie. So that's sexy as hell. Basically everything's sexy as hell. And what's even more sexy as hell is the fact that you can see all of this. You don't have to beg people, oh, where's your live trades? Where's your account? Where's your live this? Where's your live that? We fucking just do it right here. Because we ain't no sissy boys. We ain't no sissy boys. Right, Carlos? Carlos is the same thing. He ain't no sissy boys either. He ain't no sissy boy. We don't do sissy boy trading. They'll be like, oh, but your this account's small and this is this. It's about consistent growth, people. We ain't no jive turkeys. Was that old saying? On Thanksgiving? We ain't no jive turkeys. US 30 buy. I don't see a reason. I don't see a reason to buy US 30. I mean, I'll show you the US 30 right now. I don't see any reason to buy a US 30 right now. Let's do this. Let's go to the US 30 right now. What do you see on the US 30? I see a sell signal on the US 30 on that last hour candle close that closed 21 minutes ago. I see a sell signal. I see a wick at the top longer than the body of the candle. I see a sell, and it's not working out right now, but I see a sell. But we'll see. That's a huge congested area right there, and so maybe it does go up. But I see a sell right there. We'll see. But I see a sell. I don't see a buy just because this candle's blue right now. We'll see. And you are pretty low in the right up against support, but that's a sell signal right there. That last 1 hour candle that closed 21 minutes ago, that's a hell of a good signal to sell. So we'll see. I just said, I'm selling the US 30. I don't know what you're doing. I'm selling the US 30. I'm not buying the US 30. That's what I'm doing. I'm selling the US 30. Thought I just said that. That circle that I just made right there, that's a sell signal. How's it going? I have a question. Does London close at 11 a.m. Eastern? Usually does a pullback or reverse? I have no freaking idea. Super Data Wolf, to be honest with you. I know people are going to laugh at that. I don't pay attention to that. I pay attention to the candles, if that makes sense. I could care less what trading time it is. I could care less about the close of one session to another session. I trade based off what the candles that I'm looking for or the pattern that I'm looking for. I trade based off of that. I could give two flying fucks about London session closing at a certain time, this closing at a certain time, this closing at a certain. I don't care. I know that the pattern that I trade is going to be right 85% of the time, and it's not going to be right every time. But I know it's going to be right 85% of the time. So I really don't care about any of the closing times, any of the anything times, other than is my pattern there, and I'm going to take my trade based on my pattern. Does that make sense? I honestly, and I'm not being mean to you, I'm not being mean to anyone. I could give two flying fucks what session it is or anything. I don't care. I really don't. So if you just look at this and you start going over again, from where you guys can see, every time you have a tail at the bottom, let's just start right here. Okay, and you guys might not be able to see this, and if you can't, I apologize. We're going to circle every time you have a tail at the bottom longer than the body of the candle on a close of a 1 hour chart. Okay, every time you have a tail longer than the body. Okay, and you want very little wick. That's a good one there. That's a good one. We're just doing the tails right now, right? There's a good one. There's a good one. There's a good one. And again, remember, if they have a tail and a wick at the top, I don't really like it. There's a good one. And again, remember, you're going to lose sometimes. You don't win every time. There's a good one. There's a good one. There's a good one. Okay, you're gonna lose sometimes. That's just life. That's just the way it goes. No strategy is perfect, and no strategy wins 100% of the time. It's just not. It isn't possible. So if I have several different examples here, there's 1, 2, there's 3, there's 4, all right, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7, there's 8, there's 9, 10, 11, and 12 right there, 10 through 12 right there, and then 13. If I have those examples, I guarantee you more times than not you're going to win. And the preface is always that once you're up 40 to 50 points, you place your stops at break even. Once you're up 40 to 50 points, and I guarantee you most of these trades you're going to win. At 40 to 50 points, stops to break even. It's really simple. It's not difficult. It's not complicated. It really is that simple. All right. So if you go over every single one of these, and we can, I know people love it when we do this, right? You go over every single one of these deals. Actually, that's a sell one, but we'll go over that too. We can do the sells too. We'll just do the sell right here at number 1. You make 40 or 50 points on that. Yes, that's a win. Number 1 is a win. Probably shouldn't count that because that is a different. That's a win. Number 1, right? Number 2, number 3 wins. Number 4 is a win. Number 5 is a win. Number 6 and 7 is a win. Number 8, I would say, is a loss. Number 9 is a win. Number 10 through 12, we're going to have to look at, right? Because we want to make sure we at least get to 40 or 50 points. It's a win if we get to 40 or 50 points, and then it's break even. That's just the way it goes. If you don't like that, you can kiss my ass. I really don't care. Okay, so your entries up here would have been right here on all of those, right around here at 35,376, and you would have made a high of, so that's 25. It's 45 points. All of those are wins, 10 through 12. You would have gotten to 45, and then you would have lost. So all of those are a win. All right. Does anyone disagree with that? 10 through 11, 10 through 12. Number 13, depending on where you place your stop, because you want your stop to be below the tail, and you want it a little bit more below the tail. You don't want it right at the tail. Number 13, we might just say is a lot. We never know. Right there, and then it. So you get in there at 35. Oh, yeah. You win on number. You went on number 13 as well. So of those 13 examples, you at least get to 40 or 50 points, I do believe. And the answer to that is yes. And if you guys disagree with that, that's fine. Go watch someone else's stream. So 12 of those 13 positions, I guarantee you would have made money, or you would have at least broken even at 40 to 50 pips. What's the percentage? What is the winning percentage, 12 of 13? If you're right 12 out of 13 times, what is the winning percentage? 12 out of 13, I think, is what we were, if you would have just bought based on that. What's the winning percentage? For you math majors out there. I'm not a math major. What's the winning percentage? 12 divided by 13. Oh, it's 92%. 92% of the time since the beginning of September, if you would have bought with the pattern, you would have been right 92% of the time. That sucks. I know it's hard because that sucks. That percentage sucks, and you expect it to be 100% of the time. 92% of the time, you might as well go to Vegas at that point, right? Okay, so go to the sell side. You can do it to the sell side too. Oh, Clay's just drawing circles because Clay sucks. Go fuck a goat. Do you notice that most of these people that are my haters are Middle Eastern sand people that literally butt fuck goats for a living without lube? Do you notice that most of these people that are my haters are Middle Eastern sand people? Do you notice that? I kind of notice that. I'm not a racist. I just like to use that. Don't take me too seriously on that. But did you notice that? Most of these people that go after me and hate me are Middle Eastern sand people. Anybody else notice that? Who butt fuck goats for a living? Just saying. Who literally butt fuck goats. Did you guys notice that? I kind of did. It's kind of weird. Do you know what a traffic jam is in Pakistan? Does anybody know what consists of a traffic jam in Pakistan? Like a bunch of goats and goat herders and stuff walking down the road. You know you're in Pakistan when it's 5 a.m. and it's rush hour, and rush hour consists of a bunch of goats going around. That's what you do. You notice that? You notice that goats can be sexy. I'm not saying anything bad about goats. I'm just saying that traffic hour in Pakistan is a bunch of goats, and you're having to like dodge and weave the goats. So the point is, nobody fucking cares what someone from Pakistan has to say. Their biggest concern during the day is how do they navigate the traffic jam of goats on the road. Goats are cool, man. I have nothing against Pakistan. I'm just saying that nobody fucking cares what people from Pakistan have to say. They do stink, huh? I have no idea, man. I've never been around them, but hey, hats off. But nobody fucking cares in America, where I am at, what a bunch of Middle Eastern sand people, cave-dwelling goat herders have to say. They're too busy butt fucking goats without lube and having child brides, just so you know. The other thing that Pakistan is known for is, having your 13-year-old daughter married off to a 40-year-old man. So I really don't care what anyone from that disgusting fucking country has to say about anything, because you sell off your daughters at like 13 years old to a bunch of 40-year-old pedophiles. So Mac would fit in perfectly. Macedonians should move to. Mac should move to Pakistan, because they literally sell off child brides. It's kind of disgusting, don't you think? So Macedonian, who is part of the Forex family, he should probably move to Pakistan. He could get a child bride. That would be good, huh? Fucking sickos. Strong sell on gold? I don't. Why is it a strong sell on gold? Help us understand why you think it's a strong sell on gold. There is nothing in the gold chart right now that tells me it's a good sell. What in the gold chart is determining to you right now that gold is a good sell? Because from what I see, from looking at these 1 hour charts, I see higher lows, I see wick tails at the bottom, and I see a bunch of rejection of sellers. So I don't know how, I know you're asking the question if it's a sell. I don't see anything in the charts that tells me it's a sell right now. I see momentum to the upside starting to form. I see sellers getting rejected for several hours. I see it coming down to a major support level right around here from August 3rd. You guys can't see it. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but I don't see any reason. There's nothing in the charts right now that says to me, Clay, listen here, buddy. Listen here, dude. Once you are done trading penny lots, you should sell this. There's nothing that says to me sell. Nothing. So instead of asking is gold a buy or a sell, why don't you look at the charts, right? Look at the charts and say, what are the charts trying to tell me? What are the charts saying? Because right now, I don't see any rejection. This right here, that if I want to sell this, if I want to sell gold, I have to have this pattern right here, right? See that pattern right there, the one we were just talking about? If I want to sell gold, I have to have a wick at the top of the body of the candle that's longer than the body to sell. And that would have been a hell of a sell, right? And guess who did that? Oh, that was me. Right there. That would have been your entry at 1798, and you came down to 1780. Okay? That was the gold sell signal. It's so uncomplicated that I think sometimes people say that it can't be that easy. It is that easy. There's your sell signal right there. How many hours ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 or 6 hours ago, there was your sell signal right there. That wick at the top of the body of the candle is longer than the body of the candle. Yes or no? It literally is that simple. It's literally that simple. You need nothing more than that. And what else did you have going on here when this happened 6 hours ago? You had a major support level right here, broke lower, came up, tested that, came out, tested it again, did this whole thing here, and then there's your sell signal right there. It's beautiful. And guess who was doing it? That was me. There's your sell signal. So it breaks previous support at 1801, goes down, pulls back to 1801, does a little bit of a move down, and then pulls back to 1801 again, and there is your sell. That's screaming to you sell. That right there. That is a scream your ass off. You should be selling that, and I sold it. And I did it. What's really weird about it, and I know, we have a bunch of stupid people that say I only trade penny lots because they don't have anything else to say, and they've been saying that for a couple of years now, which is really weird. They've got to come up with new material. I mean, honestly, you got to come up with new material, people. Because I'm pretty sure, let me just see here. Oh, I sold gold today. Oh my goodness. Gosh dang it, damn it. You've been proven wrong again. I sold gold again today, and I can show it to you on my Instagram. Hey, Kurt, what's up, man? I sold gold today. Oh my fucking hell. I did. It's so wonderful when people that go after me completely lie about the fact that I only trade penny lots and I trade in my laundry room. Because again, like we say every time, it really matters where you trade from, huh? If I trade in my living room, I'm a better trader. But if I trade from my laundry room, then I'm a shitty trader. This is the kind of stupid stuff people do, right? If you trade from your laundry room, you're a shitty trader. But if you trade from somewhere other in your laundry room, supposedly you're a better trader then, huh? Is that the logic? Is that our flawed logic these days by a bunch of stupid Middle Eastern sand people? Is that what the logic is? If you trade from your laundry room, you suck. But if you trade from anywhere else, if you step out of your laundry room, you're a better trader. Is that what we've come to these days? Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Can't remember. Is that what it is? I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe it is. I don't know. I don't fucking care. You got to come up with new material. If you're going to go after me, you've got to come up with new material. Because the penny lot trading, trade from the laundry room is, that story became tiresome like 6 to 12 months ago. Because nobody fucking cares. You know what else? I've done so many amazing things. And it's crazy because if the stuff I get to do, if penny lot trading has afforded me the ability to do the stuff that I get to do, then sign me up for penny lot trading every fucking day of the week, like I've said before. Look at that. That was the other day, hanging out with my kids at the fair, at the demolition derby. If penny lot trading affords me the ability to do that, sign me up for penny lot trading, please. I want penny lot trading. If penny lot trading allows me to do that, if penny lot trading allows me to go to Yellowstone to a cabin for 3 days and go hang out with wolves, go golfing, and do all that different stuff, then sign me up for penny lot trading every fucking day of the week. Okay? Perfect. Sign me up for that. Look at that. That was the cabin we were at. Wolves are my favorite animal. That's the cabin I was at. If penny lot trading allows me to do that, sign me up for fucking penny lot trading. There's where my wife and I's room was. If penny lot trading affords me the ability to do that, then sign me up for that, please. Please sign me up for that. Because you know why? Because you're all stupid. That did look like a goat. Oh, here's me at another resort, Daniel Summit Lodge in July. Oh, let's just keep going. I know this is just, it's so funny to me. Oh, here, look at this. That's me in Miami. I've been to Miami 7 times in the last year. Look at that. Beautiful. Miami. June 25th. June, July, August. I go everywhere. There's the hot tub, right? Love it. There's me trading in Miami. Yeah, in a New York minute, right? There's me trading in Miami. There's me eating acai in Miami. So again, you've got to come up with new material if you're going to go after me. Come up with new material, please, because you look like a dumb fuck. You got to come up with new material. Oh, is that not good enough for you? It's just, people are so stupid. Oh, you penny lot trade. Oh, blah. Oh, look, we're in Yellowstone again. That's in May. I'm in Yellowstone again. That was in May. Oh, look, I'm fishing. Let's see when this fishing trip is. Oh, that was May too. Let's just keep going. Let's just see, because I just love it. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh, that was Hawaii on April 1st. That was Diamond Head, and that's Hawaii. Me and my wife went to Hawaii for 10 days. I love penny lot trading. Oh my gosh, penny lot trading. I love you. I love you, penny lot trading. Look at that. Oh, there's a pig. There's a pig. They're not butt fucking the pig. I'm just saying that if penny lot trading affords me the ability to do the kind of stuff I've been able to do, then sign me up for effing penny lot trading any day of the week. Any day of the week. Oh, look at that. It's just so terrible. Oh my gosh, stop doing that. I gotta stop showing this. So you gotta come up with new material is all I'm saying. If you're going after me and saying I'm a penny lot trader and that is your like go-to knock against me, you gotta come up with new material. Just saying. It's not going well for you. If that's the best you got. Because I get to live my life and do whatever the hell I want, whenever the hell I want, and that's freedom. That's freedom to me. Freedom to some people is different. Freedom to me is being able to do whatever the hell you want, whenever the hell you want. You know what the funny thing about it is too? Here's the funny thing about it too, and we're gonna do something else. And because people are like, oh, but you scam people. You scam people. It's really strange again that I scam people. Okay, I've paid more money out. We'll just do this again because I love doing it. It's beautiful. Okay, I just want to make sure everyone understands. Okay, let's just understand. If I scam people. If I scam people, why am I paying them a ton of money? Usually the whole idea of a scam is that you don't pay people their money back, right? They send money for you to trade and you don't give them their money back. Usually that is the definition of a scam, I do believe, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. What is this right here? What is this? That looks like payments to people, right? I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but that looks like payments to people. If I'm a scammer, like a few people like to say, why am I paying people almost $2,000 so far? Why am I doing that if I'm a scammer? Because they're fucking liars. Looks like payments to me, huh? Looks like payments that people invest money and they get monthly payments out because of the money they invest. Looks like payments out, huh? I've got to work, Kurt. Honestly, Kurt, I've got to work on my scamming skills, I think, because usually scamming means you collect all the money and then none of it goes back to the people. I've got to work on my scamming skills. Got to work on them. I know it's just crazy, but I literally, someone's got to help me work on my scamming skills because apparently I'm not very